So we reopened it in 2019 as the ProMedica Museum of Natural History. We changed it a little bit from its old science theme where it really was all science. So things from physics to space science and the like to natural history. And we wanted to focus primarily on the work we do in this part of the world, but also the biodiversity of Northwest Ohio. If we look over here, we were very careful with the landscaping. This landscape here, as well as this one, are all native plants. And they're all plants that were grown by the Toledo Zoo in our nursery. The design was all done in-house. And it's a pretty cool way of demonstrating not only what you can do in your own backyard, but demonstrating an aspect of our local biodiversity. And one thing that a lot of...
So I came to Toledo because I saw an immense amount of opportunity in the region. I think the city has an immense amount of opportunity to really grow and blossom and to mean so much to so many people. And all you have to do is look to Cleveland or Detroit to see that there's so much that could be done here. I also saw the region as being extremely interesting biologically. You know, you have the combination of the Great Lakes, a region that was once prairie and oak savanna, which is a very rare and endangered habitat. You've got the historic connection to biodiversity that comes from the glaciers that were once here that are why we have the Great Lakes. The marshes around Lake Erie are pretty fantastic, and we've honestly done a pretty good job of preserving them. I mean, Lucas County has an enormous amount of land preserved as green space relative to other counties in Ohio. And you actually have a very nice set of habitats here. You combine it with what our metro parks have done in securing and managing land to our west in the oak openings, and you actually have a really nice representation of the habitats that were here preserved in Lucas County. You've also got the opportunity that we found with connecting people through native plants and restoring some of this native habitat. At the same time, we've been able to go into neighborhoods where there's a piece of property that just is not anything more than an eyesore, and we've been able to go in and put an actual working prairie on it. All of these different programs that we have to connect people with wildlife or to connect people with actions that will actually benefit them and the wild world.